Hello students, in previous class we have done exercise 2a. In this class we will do exercise 2b. So let's start. Question number 1, you have given the principal and rate of interest and time, and you have to calculate the amount and the compound interest. So we'll use the formula. Question number 1, P is 625 rupees and R is 4% and time is 2 years. So formula is A is equal to P 1 plus R by 100 raised to power n. It will be 625 1 plus 4 by 100 raised to power 2. So 625 4 1 ja 4 4 2 ja 8 4 5 ja 10 1 plus 1 by 25 upon raised to power 2 625 25 1 ja 25 plus 1 26 by 25 625 26 by 25 26 by 25 25 it is 676 26 multiplied 26 is 676. Now compound interest is equal to A minus P. It will be 676 minus 625 51 rupees answer. Now question number 2, you have given the principal and rate of interest and time. Principal is 8,000. Rate is 15%. Time is 3 years. So formula is A is equal to P 1 plus R by 100 raised to power n. So it will be 625 1 R is 15 by 100 raised to power 3. It will be P is 8,000. 8,000 5 3s are 15 5 2s are 10 21 21 ja 20 plus 3 is equal to 20 plus 3 by 20. 8,000 into 23 by 20 raised to power 3. 8,000 into 23 by 20 into 23 by 20 into 23 by 20. 0 0 0 cut 2 4 is 8 2 2 is 4 2 2 is 4. 23 multiply 23 multiply 23, it will be 1 2 1 6 7. Now compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. Amount is 12167 minus 8,000. It will be 7 6 1 12 minus 8 4 41767 rupees answer. Now question number 3, P is 1000, R is 10% and time is 3 years. So you can calculate it by using the formula A is equal to P 1 plus R by 100 raised to power n. P is 1000, 1 plus R is 10 by 100, 10 1 is 10, 1000 when 10 1 10 plus 1 11 by 10 raised to power 3. So 1000 into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10. 0 cut 0 0 0 0. 11 multiply 11 is 1 3 3 1 11 cube. Now compound interest is A minus P, amount minus principal. Amount is 1331 minus 1000. It will be 1331 rupees answer. Now question number 4. Principal is 8000 and R is 10%. Half yearly. And time is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So if it is half yearly, so the rate will be half. 10 by 2, 5%, and the time will be 2 ones are 2, 3 by 2, multiply by 2. It will be 3 half yearly. So use the formula. A is equal to P 1 plus R by 100 raised to power n. 8000 1 plus 5 by 100 raised to power n is 3. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. 8000 into 21 by 20 raised to power 3. So 8000 into 21 by 20 into 21 by 20 into 21 by 20. 0 0 0 1 2 3 0 cut 2 2 जा 4 4 2 जा 8 8 से 8 cut 21 multiply 21 is 9261 21 का cube. Now compound interest is amount minus principal. Amount is 9261 and principal is 8000. So it will be 1261 rupees answer. Now question number 5. Question number 5 is P is 700 and R is 20% half yearly and time is 1 by 2. So time will be 3 by 2 multiply 2. It will be 3 year half yearly and rate will be 20 by 2. It will be 10% half yearly. Now amount is equal to P1 plus R by 100 raised to power and n is 3. P is 700. 1 plus R is 10 by 100 raised to power 3. 10 1 ja 10, 10 1 ja 10. 700 into 10 1 ja 10 over 1, 11 by 10 raised to power 3. So it will be 700 into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10. So 0 0 0 0 and 11 is 11 cube is 133 1 into 7 by 10. So it will be 7 1 is 7, 7 3 is 21, 7 3 is 21, 23, 9317 by 10. It will be 931.7. Now compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. Amount is 9317.7 minus 707,931. Sorry, amount minus principal, and your amount is 931.7 minus 700, so 713, 9 minus 7, 231.7 rupees answer. Now question number 6. Sangeeta lent rupees 40960 to Amar to purchase a shop at 12.5% per annum if the interest is compound semi-annually. Semi-annually means half yearly. Find the interest paid by Amar after 1/1 and 1/2 years. So principal is 40960 rupees and R is 12.5%. Half yearly. And time is 1/2. Half yearly. So it will be 12.5. 5 to the 10, 5 5 is 25, 20 by 5 4 into 1/2, because the rate will be half, so it will be 25 by 4%. Now time, 2 1 2 or 1, 3/2 into 2, 3 half yearly. Now formula A is equal to P1 plus R by 100 raised to power n. P is 409,601 plus R by 100, 20 by 4 into 100 raised to power n. N is 3. So 25 4s are 100, 40960, 4 4 are 16, 16 plus 1 17, 17 by 16 raised to power 3, 40960, 17 upon 16 into 17 upon 16 into 17 upon 16. It will be now 16 2s are 32, 5s are, and it will be 6s are. 16 1s are 16, 6s are 96, 0. It will be 17 cube is 4913, so 49130 rupees is your amount. Now compound interest is amount minus principal. Your amount is 49130. Compound interest is amount minus principal, 49130, and principal is 40960 minus 40960, 0, 13 minus 6 7, 10 minus 9 1, and it will be 8170 rupees answer. Now question number 8. How much will rupees 25,000 amount in 2 years at compound interest if the rate for the successive years be 4 and 5%? So इस बार आपको रेट जो है वो 4 and 5 दिए हैं, R1 and R2. Question number 8. P is 25,000. Time is 2 years. R1 is 4 and R2 is 5. 4% and R2 is 5%. So formula is P into 1 plus R1 by 100 into 1 plus R2 by 100. P is 25,000 into 1 plus R1 is 4 by 100 and it is 1 plus R2 is 5 by 100. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 5 ja 20, 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. 25,000 into 25 plus 1, 26 by 25 into 21 by 20. 1 1 2 3 50 into 26 into 21. So multiplied 50 into 26 into 21, it will be 5 into 21, 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10 into 26, it will be 27300 rupees answer. Now question number 9. Umesh set up a small factory by investing. उसने कितने पैसे इन्वेस्ट किए हैं? 40,000 during the first 3 successive years. R1 is 5%, R2 is 10% and R3 is 15%. If each year the profit was on previous year's capital, calculate his total profit. Question number 9. P is 40,000. R1 is 5%. R2 is 10% and R3 is 15%. So use the formula. A is equal to P 1 plus R1 by 100, 1 plus R2 by 100 and 1 plus R3 by 100. Now P is 40,000. 1 plus R1 is 50 by 100, 5 by 100. 1 plus 10 by 100. 1 plus 15 by 100. So 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 10 1 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, 5 2 ja 10. So it would be 40,000 21 by 20, 11 by 10, 21, 23 by 20. 3 0 cut, 2 2 ja 4, 10, 21 into 11 into 23 into 10. When you multiply 21 into 11 into 23 into 10, it will be 53130. Now compound interest is amount minus principal. Amount is 53130 minus 40,000. So it will be 1330 rupees. Answer. Now question number 10. Himachal Pradesh State Electricity Board issued in July 1988 20 years bonds with 6.25 crore. The issue price of each bond is rupees 100 and it carries an annual interest at 11.5% compound half yearly. Jasbir invested rupees 5,000 in this bond. Find the amount that he gets on maturity of the bonds in 2008, and you have given the value of 1.0575 raised to power 40 is 9.35869. So here your principal is 5,000. Rate is 11.5%. And the time is 2008 से 1988. So it is time is 2008 minus 1988. When you will minus this, it will be 20 years. And it is all compound half yearly, so the rate will be 11.5 by 2. It will be 5.75%, and the time will be 20 into 2. It will be 40 half years. Now we'll use the formula amount is equal to P 1 plus R by 100 raised to power n. P is 5,000. 1 plus R is 5.75 by 100 and 40. It is 5,000 into 00 1 plus 575 into 0.1 raised to power 40. 5,000 into 1.0575, and the 1.0575 raised to power 40 is this. So put the value. Question number 9 we have done. Now question number 11. A district contains 64,000 inhabitants. If the population increases at the rate of 1/2% per annum, find the number of inhabitants at the end of 3 years. So question number 11. P is 64,000. R is 1/2%, that is 5/2%. N is 3 years. So we will use the formula. A is equal to P 1 plus R by 100 raised to power n. This will be 64,000 into 1 plus R is 5/2 into 100 raised to power 3. 64,000. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. 1 plus 1 by 40 raised to power 3. 64,000 into 41 by 40 raised to power 3. 64,000 by 40. 41 by 40. 0 0 0. 4 4 ja 16. 16 4 ja 64. 41 multiply 41 multiply 41 is 41 cube is 68921. Please answer. Now question number 12. The Nagar Palika of a certain city started campaigning to kill stray dogs which number 1250 in the city. As a result, the population of stray dogs started decreasing at the rate of decreasing. So it will be minus 20% per month. Calculate the number of stray dogs in the city 3 months after the campaigning started. Question number 12. P is 1250 and the rate is 20%. Time is 3 months. So we will use the formula after 3 months number of stray dogs. P 1 minus, because it is decreasing, so we will use minus 1250. 1 minus 20 by 100 raised to power 3, 21. 5 2 ja 1250 into 5 1 minus 4 by 5 raised to power 3. 1250 into 4 by 5 into 4 by 5 into 4 by 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 0, 5 5s are 25, 0, 5 1s are 5 0, 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 4 4 ja 16, 16 4 ja 64, 640. Answer. Now question number 13. 8,000 blood donors were registered with the charitable hospital. Some students organizations started mobilizing people for this noble cause. As a result, the number of donors registered increased at the rate of 20% per half year. Find the total number of new registrants during 1/2 years. So P is 8,000. And the rate is 20%. Time is 1/2 year and it is per half yearly. So 3/2. It is half yearly, so the time will be double 3 years. We will use the formula is equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 raised to power n. 8,001 plus 10 by 100 raised to power 3. 8,000 into 10 1 ja 10 1 ja 10. That is, sorry, R is 20% per half year, so it will be 20. 21 ja 25, 5 1 ja 5 or 1, 6 by 5 raised to power 3. 8,000 into 6 by 5 into 6 by 5 into 6 by 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 3s are 15, 2 ja 10, 5, that is 13824. Now the compound interest is amount minus principal 13824 minus 8,000, that is 5824. Answer. So if you have any doubt in any question, then you can ask in comments. Thank you.